Hello guys, welcome back to Anim Farms. Today I have bad news. Next week all the way to Thursday I won't be filming anything at all because I'll be in Toronto for a mini term for my school. And I don't know what Aaron will be doing. He might be coming over to help my dad with chores, but I don't know. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool life hack for tractors, keys. Most tractor keys, you'd think they'd be made old and different, but they're not. The one for the 44 key won't go into the 7220. One for the 4020 that's over there won't go into this at all. So here is a spare key from the 75. The 75 is still at Coop's getting fixed from the transmission coupler getting ripped off. So I'm going to take this key out and see how this looks exactly like this key. The exact. Oops. But you wouldn't think they'd go in. But guess what? They do. And it'll start. So all the newer tractors have the same keys. So if you ever want to test drive a tractor, just tell the people like Coop's. It only works with John Deere tractors, with the newer ones. So if you have a key like this on your keychain, just go up to your tractor and you can always unlock the door, which I'm going to show you. I can lock this door. I think. I haven't tried to lock the door, so I don't know. I can unlock the door. Hopefully I can get it unlocked, because if I can't, that would be very bad. And ta-da! Thank you guys for watching this life hack. Well, it's kind of a life hack, kind of not, but thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Tell your friends about the channel. And don't comment down below, and don't forget about shoutouts. Thank you guys for watching.